Hey guys, it's time to see some cool gadgets we found for you. So today you'll see a ring and even a bullet that might save your life, and a capsule that'll keep your precious belongings dry. There's also a couple of knives and bottle openers on the list. And last but not least, we've got something cool for those who are into fishing. All the links to the products you'll find in the description box. So let's take a look at something for your house. This Tribit home speaker, for example. First and foremost, it's wired, so it actually depends on the socket nearby. Good news is that it will bring you some bass and clear sound with its 25-watt maximum output. But it's not about the sound only. The device also doubles as an alarm clock. There's a built-in display, and the touch buttons will navigate you through the settings. It's highly recommended to look through the manual before using. For example, you have to hold the upper button for more than 2 seconds to switch off the alarm. And you have to hold 2 buttons at once to adjust the brightness. When you need to set the time, you have to push the button, which is hidden in the lower part of the body. The display automatically adjusts its brightness to the amount of light in the room. Latest Bluetooth version ensures seamless connectivity without any latencies. Pairing with your device is a matter of a few seconds. You can go even further and pair even 2 speakers to get stereo sound. The device comes with an antenna that you can plug into the aux port and listen to the radio, or insert the SD card and listen to your favorite music. 2 USB ports on the lower part will charge your external devices. The white strip on the upper part is actually an LED lamp, so you can put it either next to your laptop or on the bedside table. Same goes to the colors. There are 7 interchangeable color themes and 3 light modes. The colors may change each other on their own or sync to the music beats. That depends on your mood. Last but not least, the integrated white noise will help to calm down and relax. Feel free to pick either rain, sea, or bird singing. But that's a matter of taste, isn't it? This is not just a ring, this is a stun gun ring that is a must for self-defense. Its size and shape allow you to hold it in your hand comfortably and discreetly. And the operation is extremely simple. You need to squeeze it to start the electric discharge. Safety is also thought through. The activation switch will prevent accidental shocks. And a red glowing light on the side will indicate that the device is on. The ring is rechargeable, the cable is included in the package, so you can rely on it anytime you need. Here's something for outdoor cooking. When folded, this portable stove is no bigger than a book. But once you open it, it becomes a perfect camping accessory. That's right, you don't need to waste time for assembling. Just find a clean, even surface and unfold it. It takes a couple of seconds. Made of aluminum and stainless steel, the stove is lightweight yet durable and designed to survive extreme temperatures. But the best thing about it is that it can be powered by any fuel you have at hand. Yep, it works equally well with wood, composite, alcohol, propane, and hexamine. Get a gas adapter to switch from wood to gas in no time. Either way, you don't have to worry about running out of fuel anymore. Okay guys, it's time to catch some big fish. This rodless fishing reel makes sure you will. Now, first of all, this thing is just 3 inches long, which means it easily fits in your jeans pocket. Despite the size, the reel is incredibly sturdy. It's fully made of stainless steel and anodized aluminum, and it's really easy to operate even for beginners. Of course, you'll have to start by wrapping the line around the spool and making a few knots. The special snap swivel will prevent the line from tangling. The whole fishing process is really intuitive as well. Just spin the lure for a few seconds, release the line in the right direction, and then reel it in slowly. When the fish is there, hold your thumb on the spool and yank back. As for the looks, there are several great colors to choose from. The reel is comfortable to hold thanks to the large finger holes, and it's actually ambidextrous. If you're not that much of a fisherman yet, you might go with a slightly simpler version. This one is made of plastic and lacks the complex planetary gear drive, but you can still count on it in terms of durability. It should perfectly handle over 3 pounds. Some things just need to be kept dry. That's why this capsule is a must for every traveler. This thing is crafted from military-grade aluminum, which makes it almost indestructible. And most importantly, the O-ring sealing on both sides makes it 100% waterproof. Both ends can be unscrewed with ease when needed. Also, the capsule is compact and easy to carry. The D-ring tip can be attached to any carabiner or keyring. Despite the all-metal body, this thing is fairly lightweight at almost 5 ounces. Cool. If you ride a bike, you know that carrying a heavy and bulky helmet with you can be a headache. Well, with this foldable bike helmet, you don't need to choose between safety and comfort anymore. It's made of high-impact absorbing polystyrene and damage-proof ABS shell. That means it's extremely secure but also lightweight. And adjustable nylon straps as well as extra pads provide a perfect fit. Choose between 2 different sizes to be sure it fits you well. What makes it even more convenient is that you can easily fold it. It becomes half smaller and can be put in any bag. The helmet also has streamlined vents for better breathability so you won't get overheated. A perfect accessory to match your active lifestyle. If you love spending your evenings outside with friends, this innovative lantern must be of great use. It stands out with a modular design that combines several removable panels. Choose between 2, 3, and 4 panel options. You can either put them all in the base or use each panel separately. There are 2 ways to fix the panels in a certain position. Use the built-in stand or simply find any magnetic surface. Of course, the brightness is easily adjustable with 2 modes to choose from. Turn on the flashlight mode if you need to find your way in the dark. Feel free to use the lantern in any weather. The panels are water resistant. Each of them lasts around 3 hours on their own and up to 20 hours with the base. Thanks to the integrated USB port, the gadget also doubles as a power bank. Otherwise, you wouldn't stay outside too long. Here we have a unique tumbler handle. First and foremost, it'll turn your glass into a mug so you'll never drop it again. It's designed for 30-ounce tumblers, but when you put a rubber insert inside, it becomes perfect for 20-ounce tumblers as well. What's even better is that the handle also doubles as a lantern. It has 3 light modes: flashlight, lantern, and combo of both. You can also change the intensity to match any conditions, whether you need to find something in a dark room or walk your dog in the evening. And all that can be done with just 1 button. Oh, and it's also compatible with cup holders in most cars, so you can take it with you everywhere. Next up, we have a set of some really unusual bottle openers. First comes this steampunk tool with a nice touch of science fiction and droid aesthetics. Made of the most premium materials, this thing is definitely built to last. There are 2 options to choose from: titanium and stainless steel or copper and brass. What's more, the tool's smooth pivoting action makes this thing a great anti-stress toy. Of course, it can be attached to any keychain. This option is no less fun. The tool is super authentic since it's made of used spark plugs. But don't worry, it's thoroughly cleaned and there are no sharp edges left on it. Also, this little bottle opener is completely handmade, which makes it even more unique. And this one's for the golf lovers. This isn't just a cool mock, it's actually a golf ball turned into a bottle opener. It stands out with an extremely durable stainless steel plate. As for carrying, you might use the built-in keychain loop or the carabiner that also provides leverage when removing the cap. In addition, this ball can be attached to a magnetic surface, but if you're more into baseball, this is the option to go with. Once again, these are made of actual leather baseballs. The magnets inside make sure the cap sticks to the bottle opener instead of just falling down. Same goes for this really handy hockey puck. Naturally, you can customize it with the logo of your favorite team, but please don't open cans like this. Charging all your devices every day is a total nightmare, unless you have this great new wireless charger that lets you juice up 3 devices at a time. Its unique foldable design quickly transforms into various positions. Folded, one will be perfect for charging a single device, but you can lay it out flat if you need to use all panels simultaneously. 2 of them feature 10-watt output, and the third one is perfectly suited for your smartwatch or earbuds. All you need is to connect the station to any power source and put your devices on it. In addition, you can use this thing as a stand for your phone. Charge it up and watch YouTube at the same time. Say goodbye to all your wires. Here's a bullet that actually saves lives instead of taking them. Yep, the thing is, this is actually a bullet-shaped window breaker made for emergencies. Using a unique direct impact technology along with a tungsten carbide tip, this tool breaks any car window in a second. It even works underwater. All it takes is a push of a button that activates the spring-loaded mechanism. The bullet also features an extremely rugged stainless steel body. Use the integrated pocket clip or the keyring loop to make sure the tool is always at hand, just in case. And when it isn't used for its main purpose, it turns into a satisfying fidget toy. Thankfully, the ultra-tough tip is completely safe for your skin. You can either go with the silver version or the awesome all-black one. This is probably the most brutal thing ever made. A gun, knife, and handy flashlight all in a single body. Made of wood and stainless steel, the tool looks premium as it gets. The integrated pocket clip ensures effortless carrying, plus this thing comes with a really nice nylon sheath. Don't want the gun? Then get this pistol. You've probably guessed this is another folding knife. It features a stainless steel half-serrated blade. The all-black coating adds up to the stylish look. On top of that, the spring-loaded mechanism allows quick opening. The knife uses a liner locking system that's both handy and secure. This thing comes in 3 different colors, and you'll also get a sheath with a belt loop right out of the box.